Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Once again, if you're new to the channel, I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video for this channel, which is called Dollars Make Sense, okay? So if you guys are interested in making some extra cash online, just a couple of dollars, like $5, $10, so you guys can have some extra money to spend on whatever that you want, then make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button so you guys will be notified when I upload a video. So I'm bringing you today a new site, another GPT site, Get Paid To. It's called GPTBEE, and it's another one of the Get Paid To sites, and I'm going to log in and show you guys around. And also stay tuned to the end of the video. For those of you that want to earn more than just $5, $10, I'm talking $100 to $200 or more a week or a month. If you are interested in that, stay tuned to the end of the video so you can find out more about that. So here we are on GPTB. Here's the offers here. We have all offers here. We have daily surveys unlimited, which means you can do unlimited surveys all day long. They have regular surveys, paid to sign up, paid to click, CPC, email offers, and downloads. So paid to sign up is just where you basically get paid to, enter your email address. You get, believe these are trial offers. Let me check first before hold on, it's still loading here. Okay, let me see. So yeah, these are just paid to sign up. Basically, you sign up, do what it says, and you get your points. Okay? So most of these sites I'm already signed up on. There is, let's see, Prizes Lab I'm not signed up on, but it shows you what you need to do. It says like Prizes Lab Facebook page and sign up to prizeslab.com. Earn first 100 points. Submit your username of Prizes Lab. Okay? Click the offer and complete it following the directions above. After completing the offer, click the submit button. Your offer should credit it within minutes or can take up to 24 hours. So you guys have to sign up through Facebook on this. You have to like the page, like this group, this website on Facebook. Sign up to Prizes Lab and earn your first 100 points. Now, like I said, I've never been on Prizes Lab, but I'm going to look into that so I can show you guys how to earn from this site and get credit for this offer on this site, Prizes Lab. Okay? So those are called Pay To signups. They're free to sign up. Then you have your unlimited daily surveys here. These are all your unlimited daily surveys. You can do these multiple times a day. It's unlimited. And that's the good thing about this. You can complete these surveys more than once and get credited more than once a day. These are unlimited surveys here. And as you can see, there's more than one page. There's 4 pages, okay? So here's the offer walls. We have inline surveys. I think that's how you say it. Offer Daddy, Revenue Wall, Opinion Capital, Peanut Lab, Ad Click Wall. Now I'm going to tell you guys what I've been known that works on these Pay To sites is the Ad Click Wall, Minute Staff, and the PTC wall, Paid to Click. Okay? That's just what I'm going to do on here just because I know that's going to work. I'm probably going to do Paid to Sign Up as well. And I'm going to leave the referral link below if you guys are interested in signing up. Sorry about that. And you can refer people here. So It's my referral link right here. I'm going to put this in the description below as well. So you guys, if you want to sign up to the site, you can. And yeah, I've earned a 25-cent sign up bonus because I signed up under someone, and I've got six points. So far I've earned 6 points because, like I said, I have other things I do online. I don't just do GPT sites. I do other opportunities that make me even larger amounts of money. Okay, so yeah, but this is GPTBEE. This is a get paid to site. You get paid to sign up. You get paid to watch videos. You get paid to take surveys, and you get paid to complete tasks. Okay, so that's basically what you do on here, and you can refer people and get points as well. Okay, so like I said, if you guys are liking my videos, leave me a thumbs up, and just comment below. Let me know what you like about my videos. Let me know what you want me to make videos on, and that's basically it. So below are your where it says affiliate section. This is the affiliate section. I'm going to read this for you. Below are your referral links and banners to choose to refer new members to GPTBEE.com. You are free to share your unique referral links and banners with anyone and anywhere to refer members. You will earn 15% from your level 1 referrals and 5% from your level 2 referrals. Start referring for free lifetime income. Okay? And I'm going to show you guys how much you can cash out. So they have 2 ways right now you can cash out. You can cash out Amazon, a gift card from Amazon. You have to earn up to $5, and for PayPal it's $3. And you said you must use a verified PayPal account to withdraw from. Your email has to match basically, and you have to verify it before withdrawing. So make sure you guys understand your PayPal account has to be verified before you can withdraw. So the amount is $3. Okay. So I hope you guys like this video. And I did say that if you stay tuned to the end of the video, if you are interested in learning more about how to make even bigger, larger amounts of money online, I have a new YouTube channel. It's called Your Financial Freedom. For those of you that are interested in making $100 or more online, I would like for you to subscribe to that channel and just go through the channel, watch the videos that I've uploaded, and you'll find out more information about the opportunities, the other opportunities that I'm a part of. And yes, they are paid opportunities. You have to invest money into them. It's not a very expensive, not a high amount, but you will have to invest money into that. I'm just letting you know so you guys won't be shocked when you find that out. So, and I cover that in my videos as well. So I'm going to leave the referral link to my new YouTube channel below. If you guys would like to learn more about that opportunity, just click on the link. It's gonna say in the description below YouTube channel, and it's gonna have a link, so you won't be confused on what link to click on. I'm gonna leave the link for GPTBEE below as well, so you guys can sign up if you're interested in earning $3 from this site. So that's basically it. And like I said, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a video. If you want more information on how to make $100 or more, subscribe to my new YouTube channel. It's called Your Financial Freedom, and there will be videos on that channel explaining to you how you guys can make $100 or more online. All right, take care, you guys, and I will see you in future videos.